Now this one I like. Now I go good to cook my egusi soup now. Yes. And you say now how much last?
Madam Fish, what a joke. Cost of feeding now is very, very expensive.
Okay, yeah, cost of feeding is now expensive.
Cost of fuel. It's just because of the fuel.
Yeah. Just tell me. Morning, bros. Alpha. Sanu. Hey, Madam Fish, Fish seller wants to buy from Madam Fish now.
Yes,
Alpha, this one a bonga. How much you tie this one? 500. This tiny thing 500. So which one you want give me now? The fish no big today, oh. Now small fish. You later see the lady where you define. This one are waiting. How much? So one piece is 1,000 naira.
Is it not better than ice fish?
Nah, better than ice fish.
Yes.
How? Mama, it cost now. Come on, money make I carry two. This one are waiting. Catfish. This a fish there. No, this fish I dey see am, but I don't know. They carry head wey pass am.
But it's sweet. It is sweet. Yes.
Like catfish.
Now sea fish.
How much?
That one where you know, 4,000.
This fish now 4,000 naira. Nah, madam. Walk. This one's go. 2,000. Eh?
This one 2,000.
For one. Jehovah Shammah.
4,000.
Eh?
That's it, don't dry. Make you say big.
So what you go do now?
What you go do?
Now this one I like. Now I go good to cook my egusi soup now.
Yes.
And you say now how much last?
Now 4.
Madam.
I say my less. Now 200 and less.
Oh boy. Come on, money now, beg. May we use this one to do soup. Now they see how fish they cost. This one now 3,000. They show my this thing. 3K. This one 3,000. This one this one 500. They see this one waiting now. This tiny thing.
Yeah. Anything.
No, mama, talk where you go. I won't carry this one. I won't take.
Take now. Don't give you now.
I don't buy them that price where they go. Now 3,000. Now I go buy this fish.
If I should
3,000.
3,000. How much I said this one?
This one 3,000 naira. Which one is 3,500?
Yeah.
This tiny. Wait, sorry. Put this one for leather, and this one will go chop. You don't see me. Go they buy fish. I know. If you can't go market, go buy fish. Fish seller. Fish seller buying from fish seller. Fish is expensive right now. Go buy your own right now. Oh, Chineke me. Give me that one. That one will go buy.
That make you money. Just the carry.
You just the carry. Now you come. Who call you? Who tells you make you come?
I collect money.
You come to collect money.
Yes, I can collect money.
Now you come tell me say you carry fish. Why you tell me say you carry fish?
I for those I don't carry.
You for tell me say you don't carry fish. So make I just they go my way. The time where I went to market to buy fish. I for Kuma buy all the fish who I go use for 1 year. Is it possible? It's not possible. You cannot. But these fish are very, very expensive. What is the name of this fish now? Abolibo. SARS is small, but the fish, this fish is a very sweet fish. Me, I know this fish. Then this one, uncle, what's the name of this one?
Second lady.
Now second lady with this. You like say you don't see lady yesterday. They're very expensive.
But one boy just shot us.
See this tiny bonga fish now. This thing before now, 200 naira. Are they lie? This one, how many pieces there?
No, 7.
7 pieces, 500 naira for this tiny fish. Fish seller, I can't go to market again. Please, I need your orders. If you are sending orders for fish, you can see the price of fish. That fish has gone way high up. Give me now. Give me that one. Egole.
No, what do you money just now?
Eh?
4,000. Don't you don't want?
I no go pay $4,000 for that fish. It's too expensive.
What you eat?
Eh?
What you eat?
I will eat, even if I don't want to eat. I will eat. I will eat. But that fish, Mama, this fish is very, very expensive. Why they hit them for grand?
I want to remove the stick.
It's expensive. This year.
Cost of feeding now is very, very expensive.
Okay, yeah, cost of feeding is now expensive. You see, everybody knows that cost of fishing is expensive.
Cost of fuel. It's just because of the fuel.
Yeah.
When you don't video me finish, you will show me my picture.
I will show you your picture. Okay, no problem. I will show you a picture. Yeah, this one I go do for egusi soup, Nabi. Yes, yes. Correct egusi soup. I go meet them now. I go pay you. Okay, but the fish no wahala. Later, when I get order, hey, I will come go buy more. Bye bye. Later now.